and I'm representing this evening all the authors that contribute to this chapter, MicroSIOS. The challenge was bacteria as little sentinels of global changes in polar areas. So why microbes are so important? They are really, really small organisms, and a lot of people, most of us, think that bacteria are mostly dangerous for human health. But basically, microorganisms play a pivotal role for the proper functioning of ecosystems because they are at the base of the nutrient cycle and are involved in the biodegradation processes, for example. So they are really, really important. In addition, they are really sensitive to the environmental changes and could provide us and to the researcher, of course, but to all people, interesting information about the changes occurring in the environments. In addition, moreover, with the pandemic events of the last period, a lot of us became more sensitive to some topics, such as, for example, the spread of antibiotic resistance or the dispersion of bacterial pathogens. So I think, together with all the authors, that these topics should be addressed and better investigated because they are important. With this chapter, we explored quite all the studies performed in the Svalbard area about microbial diversity and also the studies that correlated the microbial diversity in microorganisms to other interesting topics, for example, to the chemical pollution, to spread of pathogens and diffusion of antibiotic resistance. And we were able to obtain an overview of the bacteria diversity in a different kind of environment, in glaciers, in snow, in the air, in the seawater, and to correlate the biodiversity of bacteria to interesting other topics. We hope, and I think this, we were able to provide interesting and useful guidelines for the future research in this topic because we proposed and we recommended the standardization of methods to obtain more reliable results. We also recommend the implementation of infrastructure existing now in land or in water, in seawater, to obtain a long-term monitoring of microbial variables. We also detect and indicate in the chapter some microbial parameters that could be effectively used as a measure of a sort of sentinel of environmental changes, in addition to other, of course, important parameters such chemical or physical parameters. And we also suggested to start a work to define the antibiotic resistance breakpoints for microorganisms that in the Arctic area are still absent. So I wish thanks all the author of the chapter and of course SIOS, and we hope that the chapter could be a useful tool for the future research. Thank you.